And we've got the first statement coming in from the BJD, which, remember, was in power when allegedly the deal with Adani Group was signed in Odisha. They've denied a direct role in the Adani bribe gate. The Odisha government was, remember, named in the US indictment. Naveen Patnaik was the chief minister when these alleged bribes were given. But the BJD maintains that the solar power contract was with the centre. And this is essentially the clarification that's coming from most of these states. They say that the deal was done with the SECI, which is Solar Energy Corporation of India, and they had no dealings whatsoever with the Adani Group. So the BJD also making it very clear that they have absolutely nothing to do with, in fact, the Adani Group. So there's no question of receiving any sort of kickbacks or bribes. So we've told you about really the clarification that's come in from the BJD, that's come in on the Odisha government's charges. Let's talk about the other states. So we'll put out that graphic again that we showed you earlier today of, in fact, the states and their alleged role in receiving bribes. And as we, in fact, move on from Odisha, let's also talk about Tamil Nadu right now and get in Shilpa Nair on that. Shilpa, take us through really what the Tamil Nadu government's defense has been in light of these allegations.
Well, Akshita, as far as the Tamil Nadu government is concerned, the electricity minister here, Senthil Balaji, clarified yesterday that ever since the DMK came to power in 2021, for the last 3 years, as far as the power department is concerned, there's not been any direct relationship or any commercial relationship with the Adani Group. That is the clarification that Senthil Balaji, the electricity minister, said. He, of course, went on to say that keeping in mind the power requirements of the state state government had signed a pact with the SECI, which is the Solar Energy Corporation of India, a central government entity, for purchasing 1,500 megawatts of power at a cost of rupees 2.61 per unit for a period of 25 years. Now, this was essentially the contract that the Tamil Nadu government signed. So, the Senthil Balaji, the electricity minister, says, look, our deal was with the centre. It's a central government entity. We've not had any direct connection or relationship or business relationship with the Adani government. Therefore, these allegations don't stick, is what Senthil Balaji, of course, said. And today, of course, when we spoke to several DMK leaders, they're also saying that, if at all the centre believes the fault lies with the state governments, then what's stopping them from carrying out an investigation? They might as well ask the CBI or the ED to probe these alleged irregularities, and whoever is responsible, whoever has taken bribes, let them be arrested, is what the DMK says, clearly putting the ball in the centre's court. But clearly, as far as the opposition parties here are concerned, be it the main opposition party, which is the AIDMK, there's been a conspicuous silence from the side of the AIDMK. The opposition leader here, Edappadi K. Palliswamy, is yet to even give a reaction on these allegations, on the fact that Tamil Nadu has been mentioned in that US court document. So clearly, at this point in time, there's a blame game that's going on between the centre and the state. As far as the DMK government is concerned, they say we've not had any direct business relationship with the Adani Group. As far as the power sector is concerned, the last 3 years, we only had a pact with this SECI, which is a central government entity. Therefore, none of these allegations...
defense that's essentially coming in from all of the states, saying they have absolutely nothing to do with Adani Green. They have absolutely nothing to do with the Adani Group. This was with the SECI. I want to bring in Sumi Rajapan. She's joining us live from Raipur in Chhattisgarh too. There's a similar controversy. Sumi, you've spoken to Congress leaders who were in power in 2021. What has been their defense? Similar to the lines of what Tamil Nadu or Andhra are maintaining?
Yes, absolutely. Chhattisgarh is also maintaining the same stance. In fact, yesterday, when we spoke with the former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister, who also was the power minister back in 2021, when the entire PSA, that is the power sale agreement, was signed between SECI and the Adani Greens, it was completely clear. In fact, Bhupesh Baghel seconded what Rahul Gandhi was maintaining, that a joint parliamentary committee probe should be made into the all Adani transactions that have happened during the time. And in fact, T.S. Singh-Dev, who also was handling the power portfolio between July 2023 to December 2023, Chaudhary also mentioned the same thing, that he was neither the Power Minister nor the Deputy Chief Minister when this entire deal was made. And in fact, he also maintained that if the JPC probe is done, the results should be made public so that people should know and the entire process that has happened and gone beyond the PSA. And in fact, Chhattisgarh's government is also completely silent on this regard. BJP government is in power right now in Chhattisgarh. However, the Congress government is completely buying this whole thing, that Rahul Gandhi, whatever he has said, that it is bringing shame to the entire nation that an Indian citizen is indulged in such a bribery scam. And in fact,
such a circumstance, you know, you've got every party involved saying very clearly they were in communication only with the SECI, with the Solar Energy Corporation of India, and they had no dealings whatsoever with the Adani Group. The question is, if these allegations are true, who really received these alleged kickbacks? Who received these alleged bribes? You've got all the parties denying their role. Thanks to me, thanks Shilpa for getting us all of those details. We will, of course, continue to track this because in many of the states, this has created huge ripples with demands also for a detailed investigation to be held against these parties.